Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost. For today's recording, we are working on a hit called bad URL classification. This is a very easy hit app to work with. Let me show you how I do this. I usually do it on two browsers so I can get more hits. So for this one, we have to judge if it's bad or good. This is a good site for me. Now let me go back here to the other one. Okay, where is that? Bad URL. Okay, I got two browsers open so I can get more hits. So this one is a good site. Click submit. This is a good site as well. It's not loading, but I know it isn't. If you get to this error message while working on two browsers, just click reload. I'm sorry, I'm rushing things up. This is a good site for me. This one is a good site as well. So you got that error message because you have to wait for a few seconds. You can jump in or toggle to the other window and answer from there. So you are going to get more hits. I know they pay for duplicate submissions, so it's totally okay. For this one, it's a good page as well. Not authorized again, click reload, toggle to the next or to the other window and answer from there. Click submit. This way you are going to get more hits, right? Isn't that good for everyone? Again, the name of the hit is bad URL classification. And I'm not sure if this one is available in ONEFORMA. I think it isn't. Uh, so click on good here. Let's toggle to the other one. Good again. My goodness, where is that window? Okay, this one. It's quite confusing. See? But if you have two monitors, this will work for you. So this is a good one. Now you have to wait again. So while that thing is asking you to wait, now user history to add relevance is available as well, but I don't want to work on that because that pays, you know, uh, really low amount. Okay, let me open a new tab here and just copy paste the link here. So now we have two, and we can toggle again from one window to another. So both are good. Again, the name of the hit app is bad URL classification. Now you get that error again because you have two browsers open. Now this one is a bad site, so bad it's obviously adult. Click submit, go back to the next one. This link does not open. You can open it on a new tab. I hope it's not a harmful website. Now let me go back here, open that as well. I'm thinking this is going to be a bad site. It is going to be a spam. Now let's close that out. Go back here. Judge it as spam. Now go back here. This one is a good site. Click submit. Again, you get that error because you are working on two browsers. So just click reload. Go back to the other one. This is going to be a good site. Click submit. Go back here. It's still loading. Now that's the problem with working on two browsers at the same time for one hit, but it is working. However, you might get confused at times, so it's better to really get a dual monitor. For this one, it's a good site. Now let me toggle back to the other window. I get the error again. Click reload. That one. Now this one, it's going to be this. That's Zoom login. That should be a good site. If you are familiar with Zoom, it isn't spam, so submit it. Submit it just like so. So this is what I do if I really want to spam. Not really spamming, but if I want to hustle, I open, one hit on on two browsers, work just like so. So it is a trick, maybe, but I'm not sure how you would call it. But this one really helps out if you want to earn a lot of, or if you want to juice out a particular hit. Again, my name is Ron, and I'm also known as Ghost. And the name of the hit app that we are spamming good today is a bad URL classification. It's not spamming again. We are providing the right answer. We are spamming in the sense that we are working on it on two different browsers at the same time because we want to get more money from this particular hit. Thank you for watching. Please find us on Facebook. Our Facebook group name is Ghostly Hitters. Please subscribe to our tutorial channel first before we can welcome you there. And if you do have any comments, please leave them on the comments field below this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more tutorial bids and overview of those hits. And we do have a weekly challenge wherein we challenge ourselves to earn as much as we can for an entire week. All right, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost, and you have a good day. Bye for now.